It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
When it comes to the kitchen, you want to have appliances you can trust. You know the trusted names like SubZero and Wolf. And now Carrie Plentis from SubZero is here to introduce us to the new line of Cove Dishwashers. And thanks for being here.
Yes, thanks for having me.
Of course. So Cove Dishwashers, what are they all about?
So we're the only dishwasher with SubZero and Wolf in its DNA. So we're very excited to release this product. The Cove Dishwasher has a 5-year warranty. And if we use factory certified installation, you also get an additional year warranty. So 6 years bumper to bumper.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's a great thing. We're going to get more deep into Cove and what it's about. But first, SubZero. Now, this is a name we've heard about for so long, but I didn't realize how long it's been around.
Yes, so SubZero started in 1945 by Westy F. Bakke. It's a third generation owned company. And he actually only had an 8th grade education, and he taught himself mechanical engineering and refrigeration. And he built his first unit, and his son was diabetic, so that unit could maintain 0-degree temperatures.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay, so let's get back into Cove dishwashers and really the seamless design that you see in kitchens now. It's kind of a new trend and it's been around, but this is a big part of it. So tell us more about Cove.
Yes, so Cove blends seamlessly in your kitchen. You can do a flush inset installation and you can have a nice beautiful cabinet placed on the front, or you can opt for stainless steel.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you mentioned the warranty too. Now this was really interesting to me about the you don't have to rinse the dishes?
No rinsing. We just recommend that you scrape off the food off your plates and you're good to go.
Oh my gosh, that's what all the guys do anyway, right? So they're going to love this.
Oh yes, even children too.
All of these brands are found at Expressions Home Gallery, right?
Yes, at 7550 Miramar Road, east of the Pyramid.
Okay, and then one more thing too, because you have a special offer right now.
Yes, we have a barbecue rebate offer that ends July 31st. It's up to $1,750 on all our barbecues and outdoor products.
Okay, so don't forget that, Expressions Home Gallery. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wolf, SubZero, and Cove all work together to help you create the functional kitchen of your dreams. Visit Expressions Home Gallery today.